Let's start off with the first lens, with you, or also known as the reader response criticism. According to the Oxford Dictionary, the reader response criticism is literary theory that focuses on the responses of readers to literary works rather than the works themselves. This theory gets us thinking about readers and the way they make sense of literature. It claims that the meaning of the text is the experience of the reader. So the importance here is making connections to the text, relating his or her own experience to the plot and the characters. So just like Chance's advice on Rhythm and Flow, the Netflix series that's playing in the background right now, the reader response criticism is focused on you. It's almost, like he says down here, an investment in yourself. Because you, the reader, are the one interpreting, analyzing, and evaluating the text, just like we learned about literary theory in the last lesson. The reader response theory encompasses almost everything we're going to learn about in this unit in regards to the other lenses. In general, this lens allows us to question the following. What sort of procedures do readers follow in responding to works? What sort of assumptions must be in place to account for the reactions and interpretations? Some things that you might ask yourself as you're reading could be, when have I experienced something similar to the characters of the text? Can I relate to the characters or not at all? Why? And how does this lesson of the text, maybe the moral of the story, relate to my life? And this handout reader that's being referred to here, you'll find this on Google Classroom under the Materials tab, where it's a little guide through all of the literary theory and critical lenses that we're going to be reviewing this unit, giving a good synopsis of the definition and the heart of this lens, and also the various questions that you would use as a reader when you're using this lens to see, analyze, evaluate, or interpret the text that we're looking at. If you haven't already, make sure to finish the reading on the next slide or wherever you're accessing this lesson's reading on the reader response lens, and respond to the Google Classroom discussion question with a written response per the guidelines in the instructions. I hope that was a good overview and look into the reader response lens. Let me know if you have any questions or would like me to have a repeat lecture in class. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.